Hey man, you know where you watch.
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so my people, I have information to give to you about a situation where it is said that a man had been shot and killed. But before I give you those information that I got, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago confronted and searched a certain amount of persons who you can see in this video. Now, some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons talked about how police officers who you can see in this video handled the situation. So based on some things that you, my viewers and subscribers, are about to see and hear in this video, you can tell me if you think police officers who you can see in this video handled the situation properly, or if you think they did not. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yeah, don't worry, we take them fellas. Don't worry. Let's go on with all you. You're not right, shoot now. Shoot. You like the gun, so right to you. You like the gun, so right to you, gun. Shoot now. Right, you like the gun, glad you.
What a man there say about?
You are
shoot.
Somebody tell him come on the vehicle. I know tell him come on the vehicle. But that's like he had like a chick and he know here. The man now tell him come on the vehicle and he not there. Yeah, what? Don't worry, I taping him. I taping him. Give him that everything now, man. Everything now.
Point at me, boy. There's a big fella, boy. I don't know what point at me, boy.
Right. You want don't come so close. Don't come so close. I'm glad. We got you to that. Play man what? Hey, all the searching man them good boy. Right, you like you're like a glad man so I'm down here. All in shooting nobody down here. How are you sure about? How are you sure about? All do all the work the right way now, man. Do all the work the right way. Once all do all the work the right way, everybody will be normal. Do all the work the right way. That's what I sure about. Do all the work the right way. All do all the work the right way. And everybody will be good. Everybody else talking normal and you remain them normal. You have to be the glad man.
Why when you jump out, you hire fire, I'm even at the passenger.
He's a glad man, boy.
No, but tell me tell me if I'm wrong, right, officer? You jump out, stop a vehicle, but the first person you aiming at is the passenger and not the driver.
Yeah, why?
We're supposed to be trying to stop the vehicle. So tell me now, you have something against tomorrow? You have something against the passenger in
He has something against everybody.
Nah,
that's how we just
them fellas and they gain them work. Just like how they get them the clearance and when they search Marius and them and get the fellas and them the clearance to go and kill Marius and them so them was parked up in the vehicle. That was sure about. Yeah, I know, yeah? Sure about that.
Don't worry, I thought this is action. No, but I know the law.
Now, you do your work, you do your work.
You know the law.
Yeah, you do your work, you do your work, you do your work. You do your work real good. Yeah. All I feel, they are going right all in. All I feel like all I can frighten people. All that way right all I feel like all I can frighten people, I can't frighten nobody. You understand? I sure about that. All ain't frighten nobody.
Let's see.
What the throwing thing in car? Because last time you throw a shot in the car. You know about that?
You know the difference? The difference is we
When the thing song in there, I don't get on so go song in there.
Wing.
Big rifle was in there.
Wing. That's why you're song behind all the wing.
You don't want to see a big rifle, you. And then next one we search in the car, we like to talk. Set that up all here. When big rifle was it, want to run down the rifle man them now? Or not running down the rifle?
I don't understand.
Wait until man stop short and you're like all the real criminals.
All ain't doing all the work the right. All ain't doing all the work the right way at all, man.
Something wrong there.
All ain't doing all the work the right way, man. All ain't doing all the work the right way. All do all the work the right way, now, man. Do all the work the right way.
You have no more bets.
At least
Just
them
like how that
comply.
gate in the broad right guy over there already to rifleman and gate. So he
them
driving
comply
and
with
a
police.
rifleman busted the guy and then guy over there to running and get on so. Look you on when man no hand nothing and driving car normal.
All is the most attack criminal in there. All here?
Come just he come round the corner.
All is so. All is the law. Feel a fella can study all here.
Yeah, big man.
All is protect and serve. All is protect and kill people by all is so by.
You're looking around the clock 24/7.
I say all here.
Police are this police thoroughly a search. You know we.
Keep your hand, you can see it in the back there.
Keep your hand up there.
Yeah. Oh, I feel all I go shoot nobody.
Last time,
All.
step back and
Yeah, but we step back. I step back. We step back. All I can't tell nobody nothing. We step back. Yeah, but we are the stunts. We are the stunts. We are the stunts. Yeah, they're gonna criminal boy. All you know Batman boy. All you know Batman at all boy. Yeah, you know Batman boy. All you like to play criminal boy. I don't know criminal boy. So about that.
Oh well, at least then comply, you know. You know it can be inconvenient whenever you get stopped by the police and you know that you're an innocent person. I'm not talking for no criminals, I'm not talking about good law-abiding citizens. You see what I say? Yeah, I know so it can be inconvenient when you get stopped by police as a good citizen and you know being asked to do certain things and you get searched and so forth. You know, I know it can be inconvenient, but it is good to comply. Or it's best to comply. You see? Yeah, no make no sense to try go against the whole situation because the way the world are run right now, I just saw it go. Some people tell me if you think those police officers did their job properly or not, viewers and subscribers, because some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some bad comments have been made. You see me I say? As to how police, who you can see in the video, handle the whole situation. Alright? So let me know what you think. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a man who goes by the last name of Ramney was shot and killed at his home that is located within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The incident happened more than 5 days ago, and today is the 20th of November, the year 2022, when I'm doing this video. At one point, the man who goes by the last name of Ramney was accused of the killing of a police officer from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. However, due to an autopsy and ballistics testing, Ramney was proven to be innocent and that the police officer was shot and killed by a police officer's gun. Now, I did a previous video about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, see? And for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to the previous video that I did about this whole situation, where it said that the man was accused of the killing of a police officer, viewers and subscribers. See? It is said that sometime earlier this year, viewers and subscribers, the police officer who had been shot and killed, along with other police officers, responded to information about armed men at a certain location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. So it is said that at some point, the police officer who had been shot and killed, along with other police officers, confronted the person who goes by the last name of Ramney. It is said that Ramney claimed that he was unarmed and that the police officer who had been shot and killed, along with other police officers, opened fire without warning but he was able to dodge. Some people might say that he escaped. Some people might say that he run. However, he was not apprehended, viewers and subscribers. And sometime after that, Romney was accused of shooting and killing a police officer, viewers and subscribers. See? But after an autopsy and ballistics testing, viewers and subscribers, Romney was proven to be innocent. Now, I also got information that 2 police officers was charged with shooting at the person who goes by the last name of Romney, and that one of those police officers was charged with the murder of the police officer who had been shot and killed. Now, I got the understanding that Romney became a state witness, or a witness when it comes on to the killing of the police officer, viewers and subscribers. I also got the understanding that there's a video footage that shows some things that happened after Romney had been shot and killed. It is said that Romney was in his 20s, viewers and subscribers. See? And it is said that he was shot several times. See, my people. Now, from the first time I hear about this whole situation, I said to myself, this young man need to be careful. That I said to myself, because based on how me hear certain things happen and based on the information that I got from in the past, I said to myself, I hope that this young man be careful. After some point, it was proven that he was not the one who shot and killed the police officer. But at that point, I still said that this young man should be careful. However, I don't have any confirmed information as to why Romney had been shot and killed, the viewers and subscribers. But because we talk about the situation that he was in a previous video, and to know that someone lost his life, I am doing this video. Basically, to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. It's really sad. See? Big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and lots of respect to my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See? Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.